Richard, first of all, congratulations sa
Thank you.
bagong album. So, can you tell us more about itong album na to?
This is my seventh album already, and but my second with Universal. And it's a follow-up to the first album ko sa kanila na Legends. I sang Madonna, I sang Stevie Wonder. So it did good, nag-gold yung album. So they thought of having me sing baccarat songs. Actually, I never imagined ganun kalakas ang baccarat songs sa mga Pinoy until people started asking, Richard, what's your next album? And then I said, it's baccarat. And then usually you market for which are moms. They had a very nice, response. Baccarat, favorite ko yan. So when I heard that, parang I started becoming more open and more excited about doing it because I think baccarat songs are really part of a lot of people's lives, especially mga 70s, 80s with Dionne Warwick singing a lot of good songs. Siyempre yung mga bata wala nang idea yun. But a lot of the people that got married had baccarat songs in their weddings. So I think that's a big deal. So naging excited ako to work with UR. But it's really UR, Universal Records idea, which is I think a brilliant idea to go back.
So, paano na po yung idea na baccarat yung gagawin mo this time?
I don't know, they felt na, I think they released an album years ago that was, alam mo yung ano lang, no face na singers. Just a baccarat album. It sold, my boss might kill me now, it sold 50,000 copies, I think. So, can you imagine? So, ngayon, it's like they wanted to combine the viability of baccarat and then putting my face na jazz big band singer to crooners basically parang together. So I think everybody got excited.
So gaano ka naman ka-hands-on dun sa preparation sa album?
Oh, I'm very hands-on. People call me the OC boy at Cornerstone. So nakikialam talaga ako sa arrangements. I think kaya rin siya tumagal. I think if you ask Universal is because I also music rin ako eh. So I play guitars, I play bass. So minsan yung arreglo, when it comes to me, minsan sabi ng mga UR staff that sa ibang singers, pagdating ng music, they just sing and then leave. Ako hindi. When I hear the arrangement, I say, can I add this? Can I take out this? Pwede ko ba i-shorten? So the process becomes longer. Pero being OC, I'm quite happy with the end product. Kasi yan, narinig ko yung end product. It's really nice eh. Ako mismo, I like listening to it. So ako, malaking bagay na I think tumagal ng konti.
Paano naman yung naging process ng song selection para dito sa album?
Song selection, I think UR did a very good job in studying our market na kung aabot to sa masa because usually my albums still well with the 80 class. So they wanted basically to target more a wider audience. So inaral talaga nila ano ba yung popular. So all the 12 songs are popular. When you hear it, diba, unang rinig mo pa lang nung tune, saka nung unang line pa lang, alam mo na. So Carpenter song like Close to You, that's everybody knows Close to You. Every Filipino can sing Close to You. So kasali yun. So I say a little prayer. You have What the World Needs Now, you have Walk On By, dami mga hits. Especially the 80s hit, always something there to remind me. Kung medyo lumaki ka ng 80s katulad ko, that was fun. So, a lot of people know that. A lot of yuppies know that song. I really thank you for a very good selection. Kasi alam ko pag narinig ng masa or they read the song titles, alam nila agad. It's not something na, hindi ko naman alam yan. So very well thought out, I think, on UR's part. I think wala naman credit sa akin. Credit sa akin.
So Richard, invite mo na yung mixed viewers natin na bumili ng copy ng
The young people, right? I promise you, you got to check this out. Number one reason, because it's already the Burr months, and if you're looking for a affordable gift that will make your mom and dad happy, this is it. Okay, if you broke the rules at home and you're grounded, you need this album. You need to buy this album to give to your parents so that they'll love you again. But kidding aside, secondly, I promise you that these classics, we rearrange them very, very well, that it will not sound old. So if you're young, you're gonna like this, especially if you like to listen to buble, if you like listening to smooth jazz, you like easy music for driving. Yeah, this is the exact. Or if you have insomnia, people always tell me, Richard, when I listen to you, I can fall asleep. So I'm like, okay. So if you have it, so number one for your parents. Number two, it's something that you like because it doesn't sound old. Number three, for insomniacs, you gotta buy my album because it's gonna put you to sleep. All right. So I'll see you mix. Thank you so much.